In this, to study the magnetic effect of electric current, we had kept one magnetic needle in one box, and this magnetic needle is kept in the box, and a long connecting wire is wind around this box, and that wire is connected to the bulb, to the cell, and of course key is there. So here you have the cell, this is the key, this is the magnet over that box. We have that wires wound. Here is the bulb and it is connected, completed the circuit. Now all of you, when you do this arrangement at home, it's a simple experiment which you can do. If you don't have the bulb, then also simple with cell and the needle and the wire, you can perform this experiment. Observe the position of the magnetic needle. See, the magnetic needle is in this direction, right? I had marked it with the pen. So here is the magnetic needle. Now key is open. The next step I'm going to do is I'm going to close the key. Before that, I will just observe what happens if I get a magnet near this magnetic needle. So here I have a magnetic needle, and I just kept the magnetic needle bar magnet besides it. So here I have a bar magnet. What happened to the needle? Needle was in this position. It got deflected. There is deflection observed when you are keeping the bar magnet near to the magnetic needle. When you take it away, it will again come to its original position. So when you get the magnet near to it, the deflection is observed in the magnetic needle. When you remove the magnet, it will come to its original position. Now when I on the cell by closing the key, the circuit is closed. You can observe the bulb is glowing. That means the current is flowing. The important things which you are going to observe is in this box. What happens is there is a deflection. First, the needle was here, but now it is in this direction. So there is a deflection observed. I didn't bring any magnet near to it, but what I did is I closed the circuit and the current passes through it. So it shows that when you there is deflection observed in the box, which indicates that some magnetic field is created when the electric current is passing through it. So means whenever from the wire electric current passes, magnetic field is generated, and this was first observed by scientist Oersted, and it has got many more application thereafter. We are going to observe many beautiful applications of it, but observe that when the current is passes through, the deflection is observed in the magnetic needle indicates that there is magnetic field around the wire. So entire wire is creating the magnetic field around it. When we put it up, again what we observe, the needle has come back to its original position. So that means there is no magnetic field. Means एक बार magnetic field हुआ, when you put it off it goes, so it becomes a temporary magnet. When it is on, or when you can say the key is closed, it behaves as the wire also behaves as a magnet, and when it is key is open, the circuit is broken, then there is no magnetic field around the wire. This was first observed by the Oersted. Now children, we are going to do one more experiment to understand it. Here we have the cell. Cell is connected through wire. Here is the key. When I close it, the circuit become closed and the current will flow. Now it is presently open. And the wire is wound on one iron nail. Okay, this is the iron nail on which the wire is wound and then it is connected to the other end. So this is how the circuit is. Okay, now when I keep this key closed, ये जो key है, then when I will keep it closed, let us observe what happens is. So when I close the key, this is the thing happened. Not now, this just I am showing clearly that this is the nail over this wire is there and these are the nails kept here near to it. Okay, now we are going to close the circuit. The circuit is closed, the current is flowing. What happened here? You observe that small nails are getting attracted towards the big nail on which the wire was wound. It means that nail behaves as a magnet, right? The system of coil and the screw is behaving as magnet. The magnetism is acquired by it. This is due to the electricity which is passed through it. So we will call them as a electromagnet. So electromagnet is produced when the current is flowing through it. When the current is not there, electromagnetism will be lost. You have seen the various uses of electromagnet in the standard 6 also. Still we are doing a lot of search work in the electromagnetism and its applications. So this is a small electromagnet which we produce. Now how this can be used? I'll just give the example of the crane here. When you take the example of crane which is used to transfer the iron scrap from one place to another. See, this is what happens is, from here the current flows. It behaves as a magnet. Here all the iron scrap was there. That got stuck here. So then the crane is taken in the other direction and then it is put it off. So what happens is, all the iron particles will fall there. So this is how the transfer take place. So we had observed this application in our standard 6 also. Now we are going to learn one more application today, and that is related to the electrical bell. So let us see that. Just 1 minute more. Any doubt up to this? You would like to ask anything?
I have doubt.
हाँ बेटा, say.
Miss, the key can also call switch.
Key can also call switch, but switch we are using